Introduction. In our previous session, we discussed Introduction to Product Management. Today, we are going to explore a new topic, that is Integrated Production Management. Have you ever thought about what keeps modern manufacturing systems running like a well-oiled machine? How do companies integrate planning, production, and delivery seamlessly to stay competitive? Join us for this session to explore the world of integrated production management. Uncover how these systems work and learn the step-by-step processes that drive efficiency and innovation in production. At the end of this topic, you will be able to define integrated production management. You will be able to explain the integrated production management system, and you'll also be able to outline the processes of integrated production system. To begin with, integrated production management is a comprehensive approach that focuses on optimizing the production process. It ensures productivity with maximum efficiency. This concept integrates various functions, systems, and processes to create agility and competitiveness within production operations. This concept integrates various functions, systems, and processes to create agility and competitiveness within production operations. The set of integrated management activities which are involved in manufacturing certain product is called as production management. The management where we can identify the content relating to conversion of goods from raw material to finished goods by applying the various units of constants. An example of integrated production management can be observed in the automotive industry, where car manufacturers utilize a holistic approach to coordinate and optimize production process across various functions and departments. By adopting integrated production management practices, automotive industry optimizes resources, enhances efficiency, and delivers high-quality vehicles that meet customer expectations while maintaining competitiveness in the automotive market. Production management encompasses various functions aimed at planning, organizing, directing, and controlling the production process to achieve organizational goals efficiently and effectively. Production planning involves determining what products to produce, in what quantities, and by when. This function includes forecasting demand, developing production schedules, allocating resources, and establishing production targets to meet customer needs and organizational objectives. Production management allocates resources such as materials, equipment, machinery, labor, and capital to support production activities. This involves optimizing resource utilization to minimize waste, reduce costs, and maximize productivity while maintaining quality standards. Inventory management involves managing inventory, levels of raw materials, work in progress, and finished goods. Production management strives to maintain optimal inventory levels to meet customer demand while minimizing carrying costs, stockouts, and excess inventory. Quality control and assurance are essential functions of production management to ensure that products meet specified quality standards and customer requirements. This involves implementing quality control measures, conducting inspections, tests, and audits, and implementing corrective actions to address deviations from quality standards. Production management is responsible for designing production processes that are efficient, effective, and capable of meeting quality standards. This function includes analyzing existing processes, identifying bottlenecks or inefficiencies, and implementing improvements to enhance productivity, reduce cycle times, and minimize defects. Production scheduling entails determining the sequence and timing of production activities to meet production targets and customer delivery deadlines. This function involves balancing production capacity with demand, optimizing production schedules, and coordinating activities across different departments and teams. Production management is responsible for ensuring the upkeep and maintenance of production equipment and machinery to minimize downtime and disruptions. This function includes scheduling preventive maintenance activities, responding to equipment failures or malfunctions, and implementing measures to maximize equipment uptime and reliability. Continuous improvement is a fundamental function of production management aimed at driving ongoing innovation and efficiency gains. This involves fostering a culture of continuous improvement, empowering employees to identify and implement process improvements, and embracing methodologies such as lean manufacturing, Six Sigma, and Kaizen. Aggregate planning is a key function in production management that involves developing a comprehensive strategy for matching production capacity with demand over a specified time horizon, typically ranging from several months to a year. Number one, the first step in aggregate planning is forecasting future demand for products or services. This involves analyzing historical sales data, market trends, customer preferences, and other relevant factors to estimate future demand volumes. Number two, based on demand forecast, production managers develop aggregate production plans that specify the overall level of production output needed to meet projected demand. This involves determining the desired production rates, production capacities, and inventory levels for each period of the planning horizon. Number three, aggregate planning involves making decisions about adjusting workforce levels and inventory levels to align with production requirements. This may include hiring or laying off workers, adjusting work hours, and managing inventory levels to ensure that production capacity matches demand while minimizing cost. Aggregate planning plays a crucial role in production management by providing a framework for aligning production capacity with demand, optimizing resource utilization, and balancing cost with customer service requirements. To achieve the targets set by aggregate planning, several inputs are necessary, such as number one, machinery, number two, raw materials, number three, number of machines and their types, number four, workforce, number five, storage space, number six, facilities for movement and storage, number seven, workers' policy options such as subcontracting, overtime, hiring, and laying off. Make or buy decisions are a crucial aspect of integrated production management, where organizations decide whether to produce certain components, parts, or products in house or purchase them from external suppliers. Integrated production management involves balancing internal capabilities with external resources to maximize value creation and competitive advantage in today's dynamic business environment. Matching demand in make or buy decisions involves aligning production capabilities with forecasted customer demand to ensure timely delivery of products or services while optimizing resource utilization and minimizing cost. Level capacity in make or buy decisions refers to maintaining a consistent level of production capacity within an organization regardless of changes in demand. In simpler terms, it means that whether you decide to make the product in-house or buy it from external supplier, you are committing to having a steady production rate or capacity. The decision between these two methods depends on the availability of resources, reliability of subcontractors, and management policies. The master production schedule is a plan that outlines the production schedule for finished goods over a specific period, typically covering several weeks to several months. It serves as a detailed roadmap that guides production activities, ensuring that the right quantity of products is manufactured at the right time to meet customer demand while optimizing resources and minimizing cost. In simpler terms, think of the master production schedule as a detailed calendar for production. It specifies what products need to be made, how many of each, and when they need to be completed. By following the MPS, organizations can coordinate production activities, manage inventory levels, and fulfill customer orders efficiently. Within production planning, there are three key functions. Number one, estimating, determining the required resources. Number two, routing, deciding the sequence of production operations. And number three, scheduling, fixing the timing of production tasks. Now let's understand each function individually in detail. The first in this is estimating. It plays a crucial role in production planning by providing accurate assessments of resource requirements, costs, and timelines for production activities. Estimating provides time estimates for production tasks and activities, including setup times, processing times, and lead times. By forecasting the time required to complete production activities, estimating helps develop realistic production schedules and timelines, ensuring timely delivery of products to customers. Next, we have routing, which involves determining the sequence of operations and moving materials to different work centers. It tracks operations to ensure completion and informs about the next steps. The last is scheduling, which is a vital function within production planning that involves determining when specific production tasks and activities will be performed, ensuring optimal utilization of resources and timely completion of production activities. Scheduling plays a crucial role in production planning by ensuring that production activities are organized, sequenced, and executed in a way that maximizes efficiency, minimizes costs, and meet customer demand. By effectively scheduling production tasks and activities, organizations can optimize resource utilization, reduce lead times, and improve overall operational performance. Production control is a vital function within production management that involves overseeing and managing the day-to-day operations of the production process to ensure efficiency, quality, and adherence to production schedules. Dispatching is a key function within production control that involves assigning tasks, allocating resources, and coordinating the execution of production activities to ensure efficient and timely completion of work orders. By effectively assigning tasks, allocating resources, and monitoring production activities in real time, dispatching helps organizations achieve their production goals and maintain competitiveness in the marketplace. Expediting is a critical function within production control that involves accelerating the completion of production activities or orders to meet urgent customer demands or address production delays. Expediting prioritizes urgent customer orders or requests that require accelerated production to meet tight deadlines or address customer emergencies. It ensures that these orders receive special attention and are expedited through the production process to minimize lead times and ensure on time delivery. Inventories are materials and any other items held at various locations in a production system. They are either planned or unplanned inventories. Planned inventories are deliberately maintained as part of production planning process to serve specific objectives. Companies may maintain planned inventories to buffer against fluctuations in customer demand, ensuring that products are readily available to meet customer needs without delays. The decision to maintain planned inventories is typically based on strategic considerations and informed by factors such as demand forecast, production schedules, and supply chain dynamics. Now let's discuss material control, a critical function that ensures the procurement, storage, and issuance of materials. This function ensures that the right materials are available at the right time and in the right quantities, helping maintain a smooth and efficient production flow. Number one, formulating policies regarding selection of suppliers. Companies create criteria for selecting suppliers based on reliability and quality. For example, a hospital selects a medical equipment supplier known for consistent delivery of high quality devices. Number two, determining quantities to be ordered. Organizations calculate order quantities based on production forecast. For instance, a shoe manufacturer orders leather based on the projected demand for the upcoming season. Number three, fixing prices. Negotiating prices ensures cost effectiveness while maintaining quality. For example, a construction company locks in a bulk discount on cement for a long-term building project. Number four, formulating terms of delivery. Defining delivery schedules ensures timely receipt of materials. For example, a restaurant requires fresh produce deliveries daily to maintain food quality and supply. Number five, checking for obsolescence and unusable materials. Regular reviews prevent obsolete materials from accumulating. For instance, an electronics firm discards outdated circuit boards that are no longer compatible with the new designs. Number six, classifying material using different criteria for better monitoring. Categorizing materials by type and priority aids in efficient inventory management. For example, a pharmaceutical company labels drugs by expiration date to ensure timely use of product. Another important aspect is material handling. It involves activities aimed at providing suitable and sufficient space for storing materials, both before and during their usage. Efficient movement of these materials within the production process is crucial for smooth operations. Common equipment used for material handling includes trolleys for manual transportation, forklifts for moving heavy loads, hoists for lifting materials vertically, and automatic handling devices for streamlining movement across the facility. To summarize, in this session, we discussed the definition of production management. We have also understood the varied processes of production planning, definition of material control, and of course, definition of material handling as essential components of integrated production management. That's all for today. Thank you and happy learning.